One of the biggest questions I've been asked by our mentees this year is, when is the property market going to crash? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hi, my name is Mark Lloyd. I've been an investor for over 15 years and I'm also co-founder of Property Master Academy. Now, in order to try and predict what may happen in 2021 and beyond, let's take a look back at what has happened in 2020. So at the start of the year, of course, we had the pandemic, which resulted in the whole economy being shut down at the end of March. Now, that lockdown lasted much longer than anyone could have anticipated. And as a result of that, the Chancellor introduced some measures to help prop up the economy and keep things going. There were three main ones. The first one of those was the reduction in stamp duty, and that's until March 2021. The second one was the mortgage holiday, where lenders were encouraged to allow borrowers to have up to 6 months mortgage holiday. That was originally until October, but that's now been extended also until March for those that have not already taken advantage of that 6-month holiday. And thirdly was the furlough scheme. Without doubt the right thing to do, because clearly there was going to be a massive jump in unemployment, and the furlough scheme has helped contain that, but I don't think it stopped it. That was originally due to end in October, and again that has also been extended to March. Now, these three things combined have helped create a mini bubble within the economy. If we take a look at the property market in particular, we've seen an all-time high level of property transactions corresponding with an all-time price as well. However, we are now officially in a recession, the first one since 2009. There's no doubt that unfortunately unemployment will increase. It's already started to increase and it will increase quite substantially more. I'm hoping it won't get back to the levels I first saw in 1979 when I joined the job market and it was in excess of 3 million unemployed. But we are going to get close to that. Now, whichever way you look at it, these things create opportunity. So what's going to happen in 2021? Well, I don't think much will happen until these three schemes fully end. The mortgage holiday, the stamp duty holiday and the furlough scheme. And we won't see the net effects of those until maybe a few months later. But in the meantime, I think we will see a steadying of prices as some properties start to come back on the market because of those affected by the furlough scheme in particular. When there is a correction, and I do believe there will be a correction, I think we will probably see a 10% or maybe a 15% reduction. But that is all, and it won't last for long because the fundamentals of the economy prior to lockdown, and in particular the property market prior to lockdown, were good. So I still think that property prices will start to recover towards the end of 2021. But next year will certainly be a place to grab some opportunities, and if you're in the market at that time, there could be some really good deals to be had. Having said that, that shouldn't stop you doing deals now. I'm a firm believer that if you find a deal, you're happy with returns, you've got the right price, then do the deal now, because that deal won't be there tomorrow, it won't be there next week, next month or next year. And remember this, property is a long-term game. We invest for the long term. Now, if you're looking to do property flips or possibly development, you may need to make sure that you have an alternative exit strategy just in case there is a market correction and you need to hold on to things a little bit longer than otherwise would be the case. So if you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the reminder bell below this video, so that you get reminded of other videos when they become to be released. And please take a look around the channel and watch other videos if you want to further your property education. My name is Mark Lloyd. I hope you enjoyed this session.